Hey friends, welcome back to another Build-A-Bear game this week. I'm so excited. This is the first time that I am playing with a whole $50. So let's do a couple things. Get some quick sort, count our money. So that is $50. Okay, so we have our $50 here. And we've got a set of cards here. I don't know how long the game will last, but we will go for it. So we're going to pull our first card. And if I'm doing anything wrong in the game and you've played before, feel free to pop me a message in the comments and let me know so that I can correct myself if I'm doing it incorrectly. Okay, so let's take our first card. And this is a happy customer has arrived at our bank today. So we're already in the front. Let's start with teal 1. And we are going to add $1 to teal 1. And we're only adding the dollar because it didn't ask us to do anything else to the teal. So popping that in there. And I'm just going to sit these over on the side for now. Let's see what we've got next. We have another happy customer. My tellers are off to a good start this morning. So let's go with till number 2. And we are going to add $1 for the happy customer. Okay, off to a good banking day. Okay, till number 5 is where we're going. And so this is where things get spicy because I do play according to the guidelines. So that means that I am going to roll the dice and see, not so bad. So 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to add $2 to this one, and we are going to mark off 2 of the icons. And I hope that there's not a ton of glare. My other light died while I was recording a video earlier. And so this is what I have. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Oh, we've got an angry customer. So we are going to add $3. 1, 2, 3. We're already at till number 5, and we've done that one before. So let's add that to, let's add it to till number 1. I feel like, I don't know. Let's do till number 2. Oops. I feel like some of them get a little too much extra. So we're going to add $3 for our angry customer for till number 1. All right. Happy customer, $1. So let's go for till number 1. And we are adding $1 to till number 1. Abundance. Roll the dice or assign an amount to each icon. So we're going to go back to, I believe I have a section that says abundance. Up ahead, retirement. Happy customer, angry customer, abundance. Okay. So it says roll a dice. So I guess I'm rolling a dice to see how much I am going to apply to one of these. It's a roll and save kind of thing. So let's see. One. Not bad. So we're going to put a one there. And we are going to add this back inside our abundance envelope. Okay, that's the first time I've had that, so that's kind of cool. All right, bankers, let's see what we've got. A happy, it doesn't say a happy customer. It just gives me a coffee cup, and I wonder if this is related to some of the other categories that I don't yet have. And I'm thinking that is the case. So I'm going to add this for now, since I don't have everything. I'm going to add this to the vault. Oh, no, it doesn't go to the vault. It goes to one of these. So let's add it to bank charges. So this should be our bank charges here. And we're going to add $1 here. Okay, not a bad banking day so far. Till number 3, we get to roll and add something in here. Till number 3 has probably had the most success, I think. Yeah, with getting everything together as far as their cash. Okay, so we're going to roll our die. 1. Oh my goodness. I'm just winning over here today. Extra money to play with. So we're going to add $3. 1, 2, and 3. And we will get to mark off one icon. And there we go. Till number 3. Go for good for you. Okay. Let's see. We've got 2 more cards. Uh-oh, another angry customer. He looks like a sourpuss. But we're at till number 3, so we're going to add the $3 to till number 3. 1, 2, and 3. We'll just add that here. I am realizing that I'm playing with singles. I am definitely at some point going to need to condense my tills. Okay, last one. This is a happy customer. And so we are going to add this one to till number 1. And so these are the ones that go back into the pile, and at some point they come back around again. Okay, so let's see how much we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. $33. Okay. Okay, so we're going to grab a few more cards. And let's see where we are today. Okay, we've got a happy customer. So for this one, we've already completed till number 1, number 2. Let's move on to till number 3. And at $3, 2, 3. for till number 3. Uh-oh, crazy day. Take a coffee break and add $1 to the vault. Yeah, my customers are up and down with my tellers. So let's head to the vault, which is all the way in the back, and we are going to add $1. Uh-oh, loan approved, double the next amount and deposit into debt department. Loan approved. So it's saying double the next amount. So I think I'm going to leave this here and see where we are here. We're going to till number 2. And the way that I am understanding this is that I'm going to add money to till number 2, and then I'm also going to add double that amount to the bank. Okay, so let's roll. And we have 3. So that means that we are adding 2 times 3 is 6. And we are going to, let's cross these off that we didn't cross off very well before. So now we are going to cross off 3 icons, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is where the game is going to get a little spicy because remember, we have a bank loan. And for this bank loan, it's saying to deposit into the debt department. So we rolled a 3. So that means that it will be $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it doesn't say the amount on the till. So I'm going to go with that. So let's go back to our bank vault. Nope, this is going to debt. Ooh. Debt department. Doesn't have anything as of yet, but you've got a whole $6 now towards debt. Good job. Okay. Angry customer again. So we're going to do bank charges since we're back here at the back. And we're going to add $3. Our money's dwindling. 1, 2, and 3. $3. Okay, so we're done with that card. Next, we have a happy customer. And so we're at not till 6, but bank charges. Let's go ahead and add $1 here since we're already here. And see what else we've got. Okay, BuildABank, debt, roll a dice or assign an amount. So we are going to 3. 3 is my lucky number today. So we're going to do 1, 2, and $3 is going to debt. So right here, okay, let's see what we've got next. Ooh, bank charges. This is spicy because the suggested amount is $6. Okay, so we are going to roll our die. Of course. 6 times 6 is 36. I am going to have an IOU. And our game is over, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A $26 IOU. You've got to be kidding me. And we are going to mark off 6 icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So next week, before I get started, I will take care of the IOU. See how much we've got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. $28 is in bank charges. And these are the disgusting bills that I need to take back to the bank. So I want to take these out now. So I need to leave myself a couple of notes. For one, let's put this back. $4. We're gonna, where's our little sticky note? We need, I'll just use this. I'm gonna put $4 clean bills. Okay, and so we're gonna retire this over to this section. These are going to be returned to the bank. And we are going to write on here, till number 6, $26. Yikes! But that was fun. I enjoy getting as far as I did. That was a lot of money. And the way that I do this, let's go through and collect. These I leave in the pile. I remove these. And I don't know if that's playing correctly or not, but maybe someone will tell me down in the comments. So I keep these together and I shuffle these back into the stack. They all go in the same direction. Okay, so they're going this direction. So maybe I'll just stick some of them to the back because we put a lot today. And then I will shuffle at some point. Okay, and then this was the next one. I did that wrong. Oh, crap. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Okay, so these are the next ones that we will pull from. Okay. We are out of money, ladies and gentlemen, but we're going to have to condense this. And I want to add the amount of money that we added today during our game so that we close out our bank properly today. We added $50. That brings our total to $162 that we have in our bank so far. It's slow progress, but it's consistent progress. And I don't know. Are we going to be able to close this? Yes, we did. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.